Friends, I am Shrikant and I will take you through the journey of Nifty. We have seen Nifty between very narrow range of 5,200 and 5,000 in last 7-8 days. Currently it is trading at 5100 level, which is, we can say, equilibrium level for the market, and market is continuously trying to breach the level of 5150, 5160, but it is failing. And we cannot forget that the market has spent a lot of time between this 5150, 5170 level when it was at 5600 levels. When it has fallen from that level, it has spent a lot of time around that level. So equally, we can not expect so quickly breakout about 5200 levels. So net I am expecting market to remain in a range of 5200 and maybe 5000 on the downside. We have to keep in mind one thing, that the weekly lowest level was 5015, and if it closes below these levels, then we can expect furthermore fall towards the level of maybe 4950 or 4850. So the short term trend is between the range of 5200 and 5000 on the downside. A close below 5000 will be negative for the market, and in that case, worst case, we can expect 4850 on the downside. But if it breaks 5200 and say like if it breaks this level before the expiry of the month of say like June, then we can expect a major breakout for the market, and in that case even we can expect 5400, 5450 on the higher side. But if it fails to break this in this particular series, then the market will remain little bit say like sluggish kind of thing, and we can expect a gradual rise towards the level of 5250, 5260. But net the overall trend, it's still say like sideways. It is into the range. We are not expecting any major up or down movement for the market. Sector specific also, we have seen activity almost say like narrowing in broader sectors like banks and infra. The activity is completely not there. Only the frontline stocks are performing, like Larsen out of say like Infra Pack, JP Associates, State Bank of India and ICICI Bank, or maybe say like Yes Bank out of Banking Pack. Only these are the stocks which are like continuously managing the show, but rest other stocks are not participating into the broader momentum of the market. But the best part is that the combination of banks and infra can help the bullish rally for the market. So we require some breakouts, like State Bank should trade above 2250, Larsen should trade above say like 1370, and if this can be possible, then we can expect a rally for the market as well as rally for this particular sector. So I think the strategy should be to be a sector specific or say like stock specific in this kind of market, and in that specifically we have to concentrate more and more on banks and infra stocks. IT stocks are again into the range. TCS, the best range is say like 1280, 1300 on the high side, 1200, 1180 on the downside. For Infosys, I think 2550 will certainly act as a very strong resistance for the stock. On the downside, 2350, 2375 will act as a very strong support, and because of the trend of the rupee which is continuously depreciating, I think IT stocks will certainly attract some more attention of value investors on decline. So 2350, 2375 is the level for Infosys to add, 1200 to 1180 for TCS, and maybe we can say HCL Tech around 420, 430 levels. It has broken its important support level at 470. So if it sustains below 470, HCL Tech, if it sustains below 470, then further more decline can be possible. I think for auto sector, I am of the view that it is like continuously diverging negatively, and lot of stocks like Tata Motors, Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, they are not participating into the rally. So in case like if there is any rally in the market and if it starts say like coming from that, then we can look for adding some short positions, or we can take say like contra call for auto sectors. On declines, I think Tata Motors can come down to the levels of 210 to maybe say like 205 on the downside. So these are the levels where like certainly we can look for it to add. But at current levels, be cautious. 255 is the important resistance for Tata Motors. Mahindra and Mahindra is having strong hurdle between 699, 700 levels, and Bajaj Auto is having very good support between the range of 1450, 1460 on the downside. So net for the Nifty, the important level is 5000. For Bank Nifty, the important level is 9600, and the resistance for Bank Nifty is around 10,350. That's it. Thank you very much.